How to log out from Best Wallet account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of your Best Wallet account. To do so, first of all, you will need to open your Best Wallet application on your mobile device or access it through the web browser. Once you have opened the application, here you'll need to ensure you are logged into your account. Use your passcode or biometrics in order to access your account. Once after accessing your account, you will land on this main screen. Here at the bottom right, you'll be able to see the gear or the settings icon. Go ahead and tap on this settings icon and this will take you to the settings page. In this page here, you will need to scroll down to find the logout option. You will find it at the bottom of the menu. Once you find this logout option, simply tap on it and you will be prompted to confirm your decision to log out. Simply tap on this logout again and then use your passcode or biometrics in order to confirm. Once after doing that, you will be redirected to the login screen. This indicates that you have successfully logged out from your Best Wallet account. So by following these steps, you should be able to log out from your Best Wallet account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.